Fresh Air 15A Pro Usage Tutorial. The first step, start up and install the film. Turn on the boot button to the right and wait for the inflatable sound to end. Click Agree to enter the main interface. Click on the Roll Film Facility. Release the emergency stop button and press the reset button. Click on the film replacement. Press the emergency stop button. Put the cling film counterclockwise on the film feeder. Align the width of the plastic film and fix the position according to the length mark. Let the cling film pass under the roller. Release the black knob and pull the film feeder. Pull the cling film and tear off the irregular part of the front end. Put the cling film smoothly into the gap in front of the film feeder. Push back the film feeder and tighten the black button. Release the emergency stop button and press the reset button. Click on Film Transport. The film delivery is incomplete. Press the emergency stop button. Remove the cut-off plastic wrap. Release the emergency stop button and press the reset button. Click on Film Transport. Just send out the complete cling film. Press the emergency stop to remove the cut-off plastic wrap. Release the emergency stop button and press the reset button. Click the back button to proceed to the next step. The second step is to package the product. Measure the length of the bottom of the pallet and the width of the upper edge of the pallet. When measuring the height, you can take half of the measured height. Click Parameter Setting. Click on the tray editor, enter the pass and click Login. Click New, enter the information about the package, and then click Save and Confirm. The startup mode is switched to full automatic mode. Put the package in the position of the indicator light and start packing. Put the packaged product on the heating plate and heat the bottom seal to make it more compact and beautiful. The third step is film replacement. Click the roll film setting, the film replacement, and then press the emergency stop. Take off the used cling film and replace it with a new one. Just repeat the previous operation. Packing without trays. Switch type. Enter the measured length, width and height to start packaging.